How to build a PC from start to finish. First is the CPU. Just slap it in the socket and make sure to line up the small triangle on the CPU with the triangle on the socket. Close the cover and lock the retention arm. Make sure to put on thermal paste. I put way too much on. This is a CPU water cooler. The metal sits on top of the CPU while the water flows through these tubes to the radiator. This is where the fans remove the heat. If you have a CPU fan, then it will be easier. Either way, you have to screw it onto the CPU like this. This cable connects power to the pump. These cables power the fans, and this cable controls all of the RGB on the cooler and fans. Now let's install the RAM. Locate the long RAM slots on the motherboard. I test it by placing it on top in both orientations, just to make sure it's lined up correctly. Then press straight down until both clips click into place. Next is the M.2 NVMe SSD. Find the M.2 slot, insert the drive at about 30-degree angle, push it down gently, then secure it with the screw. Now let's install the power supply. Plug in the cables before routing them to the motherboard. This 24 pin powers the motherboard. For a 2.5-inch SATA SSD, you'll need two cables. SATA power from the power supply and SATA data cable that connects to the motherboard. Now it's time for the graphics card. Place it over the top PCIe 16 slot and press down until it clicks into place. Connect the PCIe power cables from the power supply to the GPU. You'll need an 8-pin to power the CPU. It could be made up of two 4s. Plug the monitor into the motherboard. Finally, let's power it on. Locate the two power switch pins on the front panel header. Briefly touch them together with the metal to complete the circuit. This powers on and off the PC without an actual button. And there we go, our PC is alive. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.